Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education, and once again we are into our Smart English program, and today we will see how to change the voice, how to change from passive to active voice in the sentence, right? Okay, so we'll see some example. Let English be learnt by students. Let students learn English. Let English be learned by him. Let him learn English, right? So if you say direct, so it will be active. Okay, and it is if it is said via, let English be learnt by him. Learnt by him, and here see in passive, how you will understand it is passive. Okay, because in the sentence the third form of the verb will be used. Then you can say ki ha, right? That is passive. Okay, and when it is second form, then it is right. Sorry, when it is first form, then it is active. Okay, let English be learnt by him. Let him learn English. English is learnt by students. Students learn English. English used to be learnt by students. Student used to learn English. So these are all active sentences. English is being learnt by student. Students are learning English. English was being learnt by students. Students were learning English. English was learnt by students. Students learnt English. English has been learnt by students. Has been. Students have learnt English. Okay. English had been, were, right, learnt by students. Students had learnt English. English will be learned by students. Student will learn English. English can be learned by students. Student can learn English. So basically, the change, the voice is like changing the sentences form also. English may be learnt by students. English may learn, students may learn English. English should be learnt by student. Students should learn English. Students want English to be learned. Students want to learn English. English has to be learned. Students have to learn English. English has been learnt for 4 years. Students have been learning English. English is going to be learned. Students are going to learn English. May English be learned. May students learn. English would be learned. Students would learn English. Now changing the sentences from model A to model B to model A. Let students be trained in the institution. Let institutions train the student. Students are trained in the institution. Institutions train the student. Students used to be trained in the institution. Institution used to train the students. Students are being trained in the institutions. Institutions are training the students. Students were being trained in the institution. Institutions were training the student. Students were trained in the institution. Institutions trained the students. Students have been trained in the institution. Institution have trained the students. Students were trained in the institution. Institutions had trained the student. Students will be trained in the institution. Institution will train the students. Students can be trained in the institution. Institutions can train the student. Students may be trained in the institution. Institutions may train the students. Students should be trained. Institution should train the student. I want students to be trained. Institution want to train the students. Students have to be trained. Institutions have to train the students. Students have been trained for 4 years. Institutions have been training the students. Students are going to be trained. Institutions are going to train the students. Passive voice. Formulate meaningful sentences. This is passive voice. Would, let, be, is, was, will be, can be, may be, should be, have been, am going to be, have to be, has been. Food is going to be eaten. है ना? Food is going to be eaten. Food will be eaten. Food can be eaten. Food may be eaten. Food should be eaten, like that. Okay. Later, let food be eaten. Food is right. The third form: written, seen, given, posted, xeroxed. So basically third form I said ki there will be. It is the easiest way. If you find the third form in the sentence, then it is an passive sentence. Okay. Make dialogues. Letter is written. Is letter written? Yes, letter is written. No, letter is not written. To whom letter is written? Letter किसे लिखा गया है? Letter was xeroxed. Letter को xerox किया गया. Was letter xeroxed? क्या letter को xerox किया गया? Yes, letter was xeroxed. हाँ, letter को xerox किया गया. No, letter was not xeroxed. नहीं, letter को xerox नहीं किया गया. Why letter was not xeroxed? Letter को xerox क्यों नहीं किया गया? Letter can be posted. लेटर पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. कैन लेटर बी पोस्टेड? क्या लेटर को पोस्ट कर सकते हैं? यस, लेटर कैन बी पोस्टेड. हाँ, लेटर को पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. नो, लेटर कैन नॉट बी पोस्टेड. नहीं, लेटर को पोस्ट नहीं कर सकते. व्हेन लेटर कैन बी पोस्टेड? लेटर को कब पोस्ट कर सकते हैं? लेटर विल बी रिटन. लेटर लिखा जाएगा. लेटर शुड बी रिटन. लेटर को लिखा जाना चाहिए. डोर हैज़ बीन क्लोज्ड. दरवाजे बंद किए गए हैं. लाइट हैज़ टू बी स्विच्ड ऑन. लाइट को चालू करना पड़ेगा. फूड इज़ गोइंग टू बी सर्व्ड. खाना परोसने वाला है. लेटर बी रिटन. लेटर को लिखने दो. उसे लेटर लिखने दो. सो दिस आर सम ऑफ द पैसिव सेंटेंसेस. और बहुत सारे सेंटेंस आप खुद से क्रिएट कर सकते हो और उसके पूरे डायलॉग्स भी बना करके आप मुझे भेजोगे. राइट. अगर आप सही तरीके से डायलॉग बना करके भेजोगे, एक्टिव और पैसिव आपको अगर समझ में आएगा, डेफिनेटली आप लोगों को पढ़ाई में और सेंटेंस क्रिएशन में और इंग्लिश में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. राइट. सो इसी तरीके से आते जाइए और आगे बढ़ते जाइए. ऑल द बेस्ट.